Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the family. It's your big homie Jared with the Retro Insider as always. Thank you and shout out to all you new and returning visitors. Without any further ado, let's get into the shoe. Now, this is a reach back. This is the shoe that originally released back in 2024. Didn't grab it then, struck out on Sneakers App, but here we are a year and some change later, and we have it. The Air Max 1 86 OG in the Sail Royal colorway, size 12. And yeah, man, a polarizing shoe to say the least, but one that when I seen, I was like, you know what, I gotta have these. I like the regular OG Royals, but for Air Max Day, Nike released this beauty here with of course the standout design feature is this Volt midsole, and yeah, man, this pops. It has a lot of pop, and I really like it. And I only seen this in the wild one time, and that's what sold me on it. The dude had it in a grocery store. If you're from Texas, you know about HEB, so the best grocery store in the world, but that's neither here nor there. Anyways, dude had these on with a fresh pair of shorts, and he just looked fresh, pause. But you know, it's really a legit sneaker. Yeah, man, the retail price was $150. Fortunately, I was able to get this from GOAT. You know, they have shoes at, I guess you could say, discounts based on either being defective or maybe the box is messed up, and obviously the box is messed up here. This would then come with the blue hang tag, but that was all fine and well for me because I was able to get this for below retail. So $130 shipping and tax ended up being $156. So I'll throw a link in the description if you're interested in maybe going back, grabbing this pair as well. So this is a brand new pair. A lot of the materials are pretty run-of-the-mill when it comes to the 86. This isn't felt, I'm guessing, but it feels exactly like felt. If you've owned a pair, you know exactly what I mean. Yeah, very fresh. I will say this though, a lot of the 86s come kind of like pre-creased for whatever reason. Don't know why. And I've seen a lot of people complain about that, which, you know, that is a gripe, an honest gripe, but I don't really care because they're going to get creased up anyway as I wear them. But yeah, 326 representing the Air Max Day on the tongue, old school size tag, has an interesting insole there, white sock liner, fresh, perfect for summer, one that I'm really glad to have, and especially at the price that did not break the bank for me. So in the comments, let me know, what do you think about this version of the Air Max 1 Royal? Do you prefer the regular, which I'm sure many of you will say yes, but are you willing to rock something like this? Or is this one of the, you know, shoes that you just despise because they changed the midsole? Like I said, I was extremely attracted to the shoe when I seen old boy wearing them in the grocery store. I was like, yeah, I want those. But I think prices back at that time last year were a little bit more, and they were definitely more than me getting it at or below retail. So this is the perfect opportunity to strike, and I'm glad I'm able to get these in hand. Now, as far as the sizing on these, size 12 works for me. It's kind of roomy, but I won't complain about that. I wear thick socks, stance socks to be exact. So those make this shoe very, very comfortable, and I would like to wear my laces just like this. I try not to lace up, tie up my runners. That's just the way I grew up, and that's just the way it is, and I ain't changing. But yeah, pretty dope shoe if I do say so myself. Like I said, a lot of you may or may not like it, but if you are interested in this particular shoe or getting it, go ahead and check out the link in the description. I'm going to send a affiliate link to GOAT. I like GOAT. I know a lot of people may or may not feel the same way, but I've never had a bad experience with GOAT. So these ship perfectly, even though the box was beat up. That was specified in the listing, and I was not tripping about that because I'm not wearing the box. I'm wearing the shoes, and they came in great condition, and can't wait to rock these. Get my little sweat shorts, gray sweat shorts, tee, maybe throw on a Kansas City Royals fitted and call it a day. This is exactly what this is for. Good, easy to rock. One of my favorite silhouettes of all time. Gotta have it. Nike Air Max 1 Royal, Air Max Day with the Volt midsole. Y'all go ahead, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already done so. Appreciate you for checking out the videos, commenting, engaging. Shout out to all you new subscribers. Yeah, glad to have you guys coming back and checking out my content. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about everything. And y'all know what it is. Until next time, stay humble and proceed.